going on, guys? Today it's cold and we're picking some parsnips, and that's what's going on at Noah's house. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to winter, or should I say welcome to winter. It is November 18th, I think, 19th, and right now, see how dark it is? It is around 4:30 in the afternoon, and we're hovering around 28, 29 degrees. It's been a super cold day, but hey, this bed right here is full of parsnips. I did pop a couple out the other day, and I've been reading up, and it said, oh, leave them go for a couple good frost. I'm putting gloves on. I don't put gloves on all that often, which, but don't leave them in when it freezes solid. These beds, I do remember from last year, and they're already starting. There's a bed right here. They're getting crusty. They're already getting frozen solid. So I'm gonna get these parsnips out of here. Whew, is it cold out. The wind is blowing. Well, hey, let's get these parsnips up. I do hope they're kind of big. And they are kind of skinny, but tap roots were about that long. I tried to pull them out without this. It didn't work. So hopefully we get something good. If you see the camera shaking, it's because it's windy. Okay, so this is what we got. There's a short stubby one. Got some decent ones. We got a ton of tiny ones. And then I got one that I'm gonna say was store quality. Look at the size of that guy. I don't know if that's focusing in. Look at that. That's like a real parsnip from the store. Woo! It is chilly. Oh, all these leaves and stuff, I'm just gonna leave on here. I'm gonna go get some more compost. I'm gonna amend it the way I amended that side. That's a pepper plant I left in, because it still had a couple peppers on it. No kidding. Last week, week and a half ago, it was 78 degrees. It's 28, 29 degrees right now. But hey, I'm pretty happy with those. They're not the biggest of roots. They're not the smallest. Some of the best parsnips I've grown. I haven't tried to grow parsnips in years, so I'm pretty happy with that. Put these in the compost. And, well, hey, I'm gonna take them in. I'm gonna clean them off. I'm gonna amend this bed with some homemade compost probably, and a little bit of leaf mold, leaf compost. Check that video out. Check the composting, I don't want to say channel. Whew, my mouth's getting frozen. It's not a channel, the playlist. But I'm pretty happy. Well, hey, stay warm wherever you're at. They're calling for some big snow in the east where I'm at. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.